Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll make this easy drawing of this cool looking one who looks like an structure and which is an animated one, and create this into a beautiful one as shown, who has small legs, a big body and big head. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll make this beautiful drawing of this beautiful looking crane. It is a really easy one to make. We'll follow the steps as shown to make this crane and coloring it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will start by making the face of this one, and then we will follow the steps to make this body and legs of this cute bear, which looks really awesome and has an expression. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll start by making the outline of this face and hairs of this beautiful girl which we are learning to make, and then we'll create her beautiful body with her beautiful dress which she is wearing and her long legs and hands, and then we'll create her eyes and a beautiful smile which is on her face. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll start by making this cartoon which looks really cute. We'll first make the cartoon on the left side and then the cartoon on the right side, who is holding the cartoon on the left side, and complete it.